I'm going to show you how to be a vegan and how to be an entrepreneur, your own boss.
Clap, boy. Is that you? Ooh, you look so pretty. There you go. There you go. Alright, Jeremiah, vegan entrepreneur here. I'm gonna make this video quick, and this might be a tutorial that is a little bit lazier, honestly. It's really late. I wanted to go ahead and just knock this out and give you guys some more content. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a GIPHY. How to make a GIPHY. Oh, I'm silly. I'm going to show you guys how to make a gift using the website GIPHY. And if you guys are not familiar with what a gift is, I talked about it in a previous video, so you can look in the description below for that. And basically, in a nutshell, a GIF is just a moving image. And I'm going to give you guys some examples on how to make a GIF, because they're great for interaction, they're great for your business, and with a GIF you can, say it with me now, grow your business. I don't know how I can be this sleepy this late, or this, wait, you know what I'm trying to say. Let's get on with the tutorial. I'm gonna try to make this quick. This tutorial might be a little crappy, so I'm probably gonna get dislikes, but it's okay. Somebody will catch on. I'm gonna pull up this video that I recorded of my screen. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now, as you can see here, this is GIPHY.com, GIPHY, and this is the site where you are going to create your GIFs. Like I said, if you guys been watching my videos, you will see that I go into detail on why a GIF is essential and how it could grow your business. A lot of people are using GIFs now with the social media age. You know, as everything starts to become social media friendly, everybody are using GIFs for expression. If you are on Facebook, people respond with GIFs on how they feel. There's some funny ones. They're very eye-popping and they catch your attention, so they're really good for businesses and stuff to use. Now, you can either create your account and log in all the time, or you can just upload a GIF really quickly, which is what I'm going to show you guys on show you guys how to do. You can upload a GIF without creating an account. If you're going to be making GIFs all the time, I definitely recommend that you create an account. So you can upload your video, or you can get a video off the internet. You can upload images and videos, and you can get one off the internet. And I'm going to just go ahead and show you guys how to create your one from scratch off the internet. As you can see right here, you can choose your photo, or if you want to make a GIF using different images, you can do that, and they could just kind of just go back and forth. You can just have multiple images, or you can do a video from scratch. Okay, choose a video that you want to upload and make a GIF out of a video. But we're going to use one from the internet, and in this example we're going to use one specifically with YouTube. Now, I used one from YouTube. I'm going to use one of my videos as an example. I'm just going to copy and paste it. Okay, and once we copy and paste it, once I find it, okay, here it is. Once you copy and paste it, you're going to paste that, and then once you paste it, the video is going to come up. Okay, now the thing I like about GIPHY is that you can start and you can create a GIF at whatever time you want to start it. So if you're getting a video, if you're creating a GIF off the internet, for one, I think the video has to be less than 12 minutes or so. But if you're going to get a GIF, if you're going to create a GIF from another video using like YouTube or another video that GIPHY supports, you can go ahead and start it whenever you want to. And this one is only 4 seconds, and as you can see at the bottom, you know, it says start time, so you can start it whenever you want. if you wanted to, you know, capture a certain part of the video and make it into a GIF. So what I'm gonna do is gonna go to next, and then, which I think is really cool, you're going to be able to add your caption. Okay, so you can add different text and stuff like that. Here I said hello, so I'm just gonna put hello. You know, this is an old video too. I'm so corny. I'm corny now, but I was really corny then. I was just trying to be cool. Now I'm trying to be myself with these newer videos. But this is just an example, okay? So I put hello, and you can see that there's a bunch of features. Now we're just gonna go to next. You can take the URL, and there's a URL that would link you to this GIF, or you can just download it, okay? Now this tag stuff, I haven't figured out what that meant yet, so we're gonna go ahead and just disregard that. My job is just to show you quickly how to make a GIF, because you want people to show you how to make a GIF and be straight to the point. So as you can see, it's creating your GIF. That's what it's gonna say. It's uploading that joint, and boom, this is your GIF. You can save picture as, you can copy the link, you can download it, and if you click on download, it's going to give you different files to choose from. You can download the source file, the social file, the MP4 file, and the small file, or you can just save picture as. You guys can figure out what you want to do with it from there on. I just wanted to make this video on how to do it. Okay, let's pause it. Thank you guys for watching. That is a quick tutorial on how to make your own GIF. Like I said, if you want to know how, why you should use a GIF, or if you should use a GIF, why they can be effective for you, go ahead and look in the description below and see why I say that. Okay, another video for you guys coming tomorrow. I'll talk to you soon. Peace out.
Yo! What's going on, YouTube? Jeremiah, the vegan entrepreneur here, and I want to remind you guys to make sure that you subscribe. All you have to do is go to my videos or something like that and click the subscribe button. And when you click the subscribe button, click the bell. The bell is the key to success. That is going to allow me to come up and let you know each time I get a video. Thank you.